In this video, I'll show you how to fix DNS issues in NordVPN. Now, pretty much just using a VPN, doesn't have to be Nord specifically, is going to help for DNS leaks. Though it does have to be one that has similar features to NordVPN. So NordVPN uses its own DNS. So as you can see, if I go to NordVPN and I pick the United States Foster server, and we go back to where we checked our DNS leak, you'll see that, well, I'm not showing all the information, but the DNS information has changed. Now, it is possible that if you connect to a certain network, that your IP still hasn't changed. You then have an option inside of NordVPN. If you go to settings, at the bottom left, click on connection and security, and then you'll have the option to use a custom DNS. So in here, you can input a custom DNS if you do have access to one and see if that fixes your issue. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.